Welcome all. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of how to apply for J1 visa for international teachers. This visa is applicable only for the foreign teachers who wanted to come to America as a transfer teacher. This is called as Visiting International Teachers Visa. This is provided by the State Education Agency. It is called as TEA, Texas Education Agency. They have state-approved sponsors who are providing this visa. The maximum number of years you can stay in US using this visa is 5 years. I'm going to show you where to find all the information and how to apply for this visa and what is the fee to apply for this visa. Open TEA website, that is Texas Education Agency website, and go to home, and from home go to Texas Educators. In that Texas Educators, choose certification tab. So this certification page has all the information needed for teacher certification in Texas. Under certification information, if you scroll down, you have the information for visiting international teachers. So let's go to the visiting international teachers page and see what are the informations they have given. So this page has the detailed and step-by-step instructions and information on the visiting international teachers J1 visa process and application. Go through this entire page. Do not skip any information because they have lot of steps and they have lot of requirements that is mandatory for the teachers who are applying for the J1 visa. The visiting international teacher certificate is valid for 3 years and you may apply for 2 more years. So the maximum you get is 5 years. As we scroll down, the next tab is the VIT submission instructions. This gives information on the first steps for applying for this J1 visa. Let's open that. It is visiting international teacher page, instruction guide for J1 visa, that is only for the international teachers. So these are the first steps you need to do. Let's see one at a time. So the first one is obtain your social security number. You need an SSN number and then you have to create a TEA login account and please follow the instructions. TEA is Texas Education Agency. You need to have an account. You need to create one. Follow the step-by-step instructions. It is very easy to follow. So the online application requirements is given also. Initial application, that is for 3 years, and the extension, the next one, on the red one, that is for the extension, that is for 2 years. It says the application fee is $78 and the fingerprinting fee is $40.25. So these are the initial steps. This is the just for the application submission. So as you scroll down, you can see the online application requirements. So these are the requirements that you need to submit along with the application. Read through, go through all the information, make sure you have all the requirements. You have to create a new TEAL user account in TEA website. This one explains on how to create a TEAL account on TEA website. So it is a step-by-step instruction, so it is very easy to follow. Let's move on to the next one, that is FAQs, that is frequently asked questions. Let's open it and see. The first one is, what is the visiting international teacher certification? It explains the answer, and then, can visiting teachers take certification exams? The visiting teachers are not eligible to take the Texas certification exams. This one answers all your questions. So the next question is, when should visiting teachers create a TEA login? That is the one we saw the step-by-step instruction on creating the login account. So that answer is also there. Please go over it. I'm not going to read it because it's going to take a lot of time. I'm going to give you all the important information and pointers provided in this website. So please do not neglect the FAQs, because whatever questions, the common questions you have, all the answers are here. Let's move on to the next one. That is the very important one. It shows the sponsors, TEA approved J1 visa exchange program sponsors. So these are the state approved sponsors. They are going to provide the visa provided if you have all the requirements and you are eligible for this visa. So there are so many sponsors, and one of them is Dallas Independent School District. Let's open the DISD. So this is one of the public schools in Dallas, and they provide visa. One of the subscribers, I think, they asked which school provide J1 visas, and here you are. Dallas ISD provides the visa, but please do your research. As I already mentioned in one of my other videos that I did not use this visa to come to this country to work as a teacher. I did my ACP program and then I got the job. So let's move on to the next service provider. This is one of the providers, and they also have the step-by-step instructions on how to apply for this visa. So make sure you are reading all the informations. If you have good experience in teaching and you have done your post graduation and masters, you have high chances of getting this visa. Choose one service providers which one you wanted to apply with. As we scroll down, we can see the visiting teacher requirements. Read this also. So these are the basic requirements you need to apply for this visa. This one is the requirements for certificate, and it tells you the fee information also. The application fee is $78. Again, we talked about this again. It shows the same thing, and you have to do the fingerprint and background check. That is a must for any type of teaching jobs in America. So please go through all the information. This page has so much of information. If you are interested, you can go over all this information, and please make sure you have all the requirements available. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe.